Next page. Okay. Yeah. Good afternoon, students. I'm Satish. I'm going to teach Maths 1A. Important list. Important questions, exam point of view only. We'll go for exam point of view only. Right? Means when I start the question, and that whatever the formula is needed for that question, we'll go for that question itself. Is it clear? So according to Maths 1A, Intermediate IPE, the most weightages chapter and where students can do easy way is nothing but matrices. Okay, so that is nothing but matrices and determinants. Matrices and determinants. Okay, so here we are going to start with matrices. So the weightage of this chapter is the weightage of this chapter is the weightage of this chapter will be 2 7 marks, 1 4 mark, and 2 2 mark. Is it clear? So most important weightage to get your marks. So whole and soul, if you see here, it is like 22 marks weightage this chapter is. So you should do the things perfectly. So first, let us start with some long answers. Is it clear? And while teaching those long answers directly, 2 long answers, one from determinants and one from simultaneous linear equations like Gauss-Jordan, matrix inversion, or Cramer's rule. Is it clear? Okay. Now, first I will go with Cramer's rule. So that Cramer's rule, I will teach you. Okay. Now let us take one question in the Cramer's rule itself directly. So yeah, let us take one Cramer's rule sum, and let us do in one Cramer's rule sum so that you can understand how to do that sum. Very important, right? So suppose given equations, your given equations are x plus y plus z equal to 1 and 2x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6 and x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 3. These are your 3 equations, and in the exam he will ask solve by Cramer's method. So total 3 methods we are having: Cramer's, Gauss-Jordan, and matrix inversion. So let us see one Cramer's rule. Now in Cramer's rule, these are your given equations. So first I am going to write the coefficient matrix. What is that coefficient matrix? Let it be capital A. The coefficient matrix I am to take it as 1 1 1. The coefficient matrix is nothing but x plus y plus z. The coefficients of x, y, z of first equation we are going to write in the first row. Second equation in second row. Third equation in third row. This is your coefficient matrix. Is it clear? This is your coefficient matrix. Page 5 number. పైకి ఎట్లా వెళ్తుంది నాకు ఇదే పేజ్ కావాలా ఓకే దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ పొజిషన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ Okay, fine. So this is your coefficient matrix capital A, right? Now in first matrix Cramer's rule, what you are going to do is replace that coefficient matrix, whatever you wrote, that will be your delta. I am going to take it as. So delta is equal to your coefficient matrix, which is nothing but determinant of 1, 1 and 1, right? And 2, 2 and 3. Next 1, 4 and 9. This only know the matrix what I took is, right? 1, 3 and 9. So this is the matrix. So first you are going to find the determinant of this coefficient matrix. So the determinant of coefficient matrix, that I am going to take it as delta. So plus 1 we start with, correct? No? So here how we are going to write them, right? That is nothing but this is plus, plus, minus, plus, correct? No? Each and every element is multiplied with its cofactor. So plus 1 into, leave the row and column in which it is present. So 9 2s are 18 minus 4 3s are 12. Minus 1 into 9 2s are 18 minus 3, correct? Leave the row and column in which it is present. Plus 1 into 4 2s are 8 minus 2. Okay. 18 minus 12 is nothing but 6. Minus 1 into 18 minus 5. Minus 5, it is 15 plus 1 into this is again 6. So what I'm getting 6 plus 6 is 12. Minus 1 into 15 is minus 15. What I'm getting is minus 3, which is not equal to 0. So delta cannot be equal to 0. If delta is equal to 0, then we say that the solution does not exist. Is it clear? Right. So this is about your delta, means which is your coefficient matrix determinant. Next, what we are going to do, I am going to write it as delta 1. What is this delta 1? We'll go for delta 1 means, have a look. Your delta 1 means, first I will write here, replace first column. Replace first column with constants of the given equations. Is it clear? So what are your constants of the given equations? So delta 1 is nothing but determinant of, right? So actually your first column, first I will write it, have a look. So what are your 1, 1 and 1? Next it was 2, 2 and 3. Next it was 1, 4 and 9, correct? No? So it is 1, 1, 1, right? Same matrix, you can check it. See 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3, 1, 4, 9. So this is your coefficient matrix actually. Now in this coefficient matrix, this first column, whatever you are seeing now, that you have to replace with your constants. So what are your constants actually? 1, 6 and 3. So these are your constants. Now these constants you are going to replace in the column 1. Is it clear? For Cramer's rule, right? So now I'm going to replace 1, 6 and 3. So have a look. 1, 6 and 3. I'm going to replace with your constants. What is that constants? 1, 6 and 3. Now expand your determinant. So when you expand a determinant, if you are getting some, you will get some number which we'll call it as delta 1. So delta 1 in delta is nothing but coefficient matrix. Your delta 1 is nothing but replacing the first column with the constants of the given equations and expand the det. So now again same, plus minus plus. Is it clear? So plus 1 into, leave the row and column in which it is present. So what is that row and column in which it is present? See here, suppose 1 is there. 1 is present in first row and first column. So leave the row and column, it is present. Now AD minus BC. So this and this you are going to multiply, yes or no? So AD minus BC. So this is the what I want to tell you. Is it clear? Right. So plus 1 into AD minus BC. So 9 2s are 18 minus 4 3s are 12 minus 1 into 9 6 9s are 54 minus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 into, right, 6 4s are 24 minus 3 2s are 6. Is it clear? Plus 1 means leave the row and column, it is present. So for this one, this 6 2 and 3 4 is your determinant. Is it clear? AD minus BC. That only we are doing here. Now that is nothing but 18 minus 12. What is your 18 minus 12? 18 minus 12 give you 6. Correct, no? Next, minus 1 into 54 minus 9 is nothing but 45 plus 1 into 24 minus 6 is nothing but 18. Okay, that is 6 minus 45 plus 18. That is 6 minus 8 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 24. So 45 minus 24, right? So what I'll get is 9 and okay, 54 9 6 are 54 minus 9. So 54 minus 9 and 24 minus 6, 4 and 18. 18 plus 6 again, it is 24. 24 minus 45. ये पेज को ऊपर नीचे कैसे कर सकते? ऐड ही कर सकते हो, लाइव चल रहा है इसलिए. लाइव स्टॉप करिए एक मिनट, लाइव स्टॉप करिए एक बार. एक बार. हाँ, तो मैं कुछ गलत किया है. ये पेज ऐड होने से मुझे कैलकुलेशन मिस हो रहा सर. वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, अभी 10 से 200 कर ले सकते हैं, बैक और फोर कर सकते हैं, वैसा बोल रहे हो. Yeah. So it is 1 6 3 1 2 4 1 3 9. Yeah. सर स्टॉप करिए एक बार. अब ये कुछ मैं गलत किया, नहीं मिल रहा, इसीलिए टेंशन आ जा रहा सर. अब ये एक मिनट. दिस इज फाइन. एक बार और नेक्स्ट पेज पे जाइए. 1 1 6 3 plus 1 into 9 2s are 18 minus 12 minus 1 into 9 6 are 54 minus 9 plus 1 into 24 minus 6. Six minus 45 minus 39. सर ये आज नहीं हो रहा सर. कितना आ रहा सर? -21 आ रहा ना. हाँ, वही गलत कर रहा था मैं कैलकुलेशन पर. 18 18 plus 6 24 45 से निकालना है ना 21 हाँ राइट राइट हाँ कहाँ है ना कहाँ है सब सेम यही कंटिन्यू ओके चेंज कर सकते सेकंड ईयर बोल के वो चेंज कर Okay, fine. Sorry for inconvenience. Right, today is little bit past day, no? So मेरा वॉइस सुनाई दे रहा ना राइट अब ये okay fine. So this calculation right. So this what I'm going to get is minus 21. So this is your delta 1. Is it clear? Now same way delta 2 also. Delta 2 means what you are going to do? Again replace your coefficient matrix, whatever it was the coefficient matrix. What was your coefficient matrix? This was your coefficient matrix, no? A coefficient matrix. In this coefficient matrix, you replace column 2. You replace column 2 with the constants, like what we did in delta 1, we replaced with column 1, and delta 2, you replace it with column 2. Now, same thing I'm going to replace. Here only I will do. See, now delta 2, here itself I will do. Now, that is nothing but what was your delta actually? So it is nothing but 121, 124, 132. So 121, you replace it with 121 delta 2 as it is 121 you will write, correct? Now second column will be replaced with your constants 1, 6, 3, next 1, 3, 9. Is it clear? So that is equal to plus 1 into 9 6 it is 54 again. 9 6 it is 54, right? So again same plus minus plus. So 9 6 it is 54 minus 3 3 are 9 minus 1 into 9 2 are 18 minus 3 plus 1 into 3 2 are 6 minus 6. Okay. Again 54 minus 9, 45 minus 1 into this is 15. So 45 minus 15, which is nothing but 30. So delta 1 what I got is minus 21. Delta 2 what I got is 30. It means replace to get delta 1, replace first column with constants. To get delta 2, replace second column with the constants. Similarly, now delta 3 means replace the third column with the constants. So what is the third column in this case? 139. I should replace it with 163. Is it clear? Once again, I'm going to write the determinant first. So delta 3. So your delta 3 is nothing but 1 2 1. Okay. What is nothing but 1 2 1. Next 1 6 1 2 4 as it is. Right. Next 1 2 4 as it is. What is your third column now? Third column. Actually 139, that should be replaced with 163. That should be replaced with 163. Is it clear? So that is nothing but again plus 1 into 3 2s are 6 minus 4 6 are 24 minus 1 into 3 2s are 6 minus 6 plus 1 into 4 2s are 8 minus 2, right? So which is nothing but 6 minus 24 minus 18, and this is anyway minus 1 into 0 plus this is 6. Minus 18 plus 6 is minus 12, which I got it as delta 3. Now, how to get the solution? How to get the solution is nothing but your small x is nothing but delta 1 by delta, small y is nothing but delta 2 by delta, small z is nothing but delta 3 by delta. Is it clear? Now, x equal to, what is your delta 1 value we got? Just go back and check it. Delta 1, what? Delta is minus 3, right? Your delta 1 is minus 21, right? And delta 2 is nothing but 30. So minus 21 minus 21 by minus 3. Y is equal to 30 by minus 3. Z is equal to, what is your delta 3 I got? Minus 12, and delta was minus 3. Is it clear? Means x is equal to, ultimately what I'm getting? 7. Y is equal to 10, that is minus 10, and Z is equal to 3 4s are 12, right? So I got the solution, which is nothing but x equal to. Now, most important thing is, suppose whether you got the correct answers, how to check means in the given equations, whatever the given equations are there, in those given equations, you are going to substitute your x, y, and z values and check whether you are getting your RHS back or not. So suppose you take any one of those three equations. Suppose I take second equation, verification. In exam, no need to do verification, but whether you got the correct answer or not, in rough at the end of your booklet, you can check it. So verification, how we can do? That is 2x plus 2y plus 3z, what I should get equal to 6. Now let us have a look. 2 into what is that x value? 7. Plus 2 into what is your y value? Minus 10. Plus 3 into what is your z? 4. So 2 7s are 14, minus 20 plus 12, plus 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 26, right? 26 minus 20. What I'm getting is 6, which is your RHS. It means whatever the answer you got, it is correct. So this is how you are going to check Cramer's rule. I mean, no need to do in solution itself to check whether you got correct or wrong. This is how you are going to check it by verification. And once if you get like this, it means your answer is correct. Okay. So this is about your Cramer's rule. Let me do one more problem for you. Cramer's rule, one more sum. Is it clear? Again, now, again, same. For your understanding purpose, Cramer's rule, one more problem. And rest every problem, you can do it. It is there. Some books might be there with you, intermediate, important list, whatever. Just any list or any important list, anything, it will have same questions from your academy, whatever you are having. Okay. Now, next, one more Cramer's rule problem for your understanding purpose. Now, given equations, x plus y plus z equal to 9. Next, 2x plus 5y, 2x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 52. Next, and 2x plus y minus z equal to 0. Yeah, 52 is a little bit a big number, but still you should be careful in doing. Still you will get your required answers. All right, first I'm going to write the coefficient matrix. Now what is your coefficient matrix? A is equal to, that is 1 1 1. First row x and y coefficients in first equation, x and y coefficients in first row. Your first equation, right? First equation is nothing but first row, and second equation 2 5 7, and third equation 2 1 minus 1, right? This is your coefficient matrix. Now I am going to find delta, which is nothing but your determinant of A, that is determinant of 1 1 1, 2 5 7, 2 1 minus 1, determinant of this. Delta means determinant of your coefficient matrix. So that is plus 1 into minus 5 plus 1 into minus 5 minus 7, minus 1 into same, like cofactors how we write, minus, plus, minus, and plus we start with. So minus 1 into, leave the row and column which it is present. So that is minus 2 minus 14 plus 1 into, right? So that is 2 minus 5 2s are 10. So what I'm going to get here? Minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12. Minus 2 minus 14. Minus 16 minus into minus plus 16. Next 2 minus 8. 2 minus 10 minus 8. That is nothing but minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 plus 16, which is nothing but minus 4. The delta what I got is minus 4. Same. Now delta 1, replace the constants. So what are your constants here? 9, 52 and 0. Okay, one of your number is 0. So it's easy to get it. No need to be getting confused, right? So here, so first I will copy the same thing. Next, I am going to find your delta 1. Delta 1 is nothing but determinant of replace your first column with constants 9, 52 and 0, correct? So 9, 52, 9, 52 and 0. Next, what I can take it as 151, 17 minus 1. Is it clear? 151, 151, 17 minus 1. This is your delta 1, which I replaced with first column with the constants. Is it clear? Now delta 1 start expanding. Plus 9 into, it is minus 5 minus 7. Okay. Minus 1 into minus 52 minus 0. Next plus 1 into, it is 52 minus 0. Is it clear? So delta 1 is nothing but 9 into minus 12 minus 1 into, it is what I said, minus 52. This is 0. Okay. See here, minus 1, minus 52 minus 0 plus 1, 52 minus 0 only. Still it is. So here 9 into minus 12 plus minus 1 into minus 52 and plus 1 into 52. Is it clear? So minus into minus, it is again plus. Okay, so delta 1 is equal to minus 12 lines are 108 minus 108. Here minus into minus plus 52 plus 52. That is delta 1 is equal to minus 108 plus 52 plus 52 is 104. Is it clear? So delta 1 ultimately what I got is minus 4. So this is your delta 1. Similarly, I will go for delta 2. Delta 2 means what I said. Replace your second column. Replace your second column with the constants. So what is that second column? We are going to write again same 1, 2, 2. Here your second column 151. I am going to replace it with 9, 52 and 0. Okay. So that is nothing but delta 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 2 and 2. Replace your second column with the constants. What are those constants? 9, 52 and 0. 9, 52 and 0. And third column again as it is 17 minus 1. That is 17 minus 1. This is nothing but your delta 2. So delta 2 is equal to again plus 1 into minus 52 minus 0. Okay. Minus 9 into minus 2 minus 7 2 it is. See minus 2 minus 14. Okay. Leave the row and column in which it is present. Plus 1 into 0 minus 52 2s are. It's 104. 52 2s it is. Minus 104. 0 minus. So 0 minus 104. Is it clear? Now again, calculation part carefully. Minus 52. This is okay. Next, minus 9 and minus 2 minus 14 is minus 16. Minus 16 into 9. So 16 9s is 144. You can have a look. So 54 5, right? So 9 1s are 9, 144. So here what you are going to get is minus into minus plus 144. Next minus, this is 104. Is it clear? Now minus 104 minus 52. So that is 104, 52. Both are minus. So you are going to add them. That is 6, 151 minus 156. Is it clear? So that is minus 156 plus 144. How much we are going to get? 144, which is nothing but 54, which is minus 12. Is it clear? Because bigger number I am having minus 156 plus 144, I am going to get it as minus 12, which is delta 2. Similarly, we are going for delta 3. What is delta 3? Replacing delta 3 is nothing but replacing your third column with the constants. So this is your coefficient matrix. Now replace the third column. This is your third column, correct? Now this third column you are going to replace it with constants. So remaining two columns for delta 3 you will write as it is. That is 122, 151. Is it clear? 122, 122, 151. Now replace the third column with constants. So what are your constants? 9, 52 and 0, right, in the given equation. So 9, 52 and 0. Replace with your constants with the third column. Now that you are going to write it as plus 1 into 0 minus 52 minus 1 into 0 minus 104 plus 9 into, leave the row and column it is present already I said. So for 9, leave the row and column it is present like this. Is it clear? Right. Which is nothing but 2 1s are 2 minus 2 5s are 10. That is minus 52, right? Minus into 0 minus 104 is minus 104. Minus into minus plus 104. And here minus 8, correct? 2 minus 8. So plus 9 into minus 8. So minus 52 plus 104. Is it clear? So 9 8s are minus 72. Okay. Now minus 52 minus 72. You add them up. So 4 minus 124 I get. Minus 124. From that you subtract 104. What I'm going to get? 0. And here 2 as it is. So what I'm going to got is, what I got is 20, which is nothing but minus 20. So again calculation part, minus 124 plus 104, which is nothing but minus 20. Now same, therefore the solution, x is nothing but delta 1 by delta, y is nothing but delta by delta, z is nothing but delta 3 by delta. Is it clear? Okay, what is that now? See, I can't change the page. I will make the calculation here itself. What is your delta 1? Del x is nothing but delta 1. What was your delta 1 actually? See, your delta is minus 4. Delta 1. Your delta 1 is minus 4. Okay. Delta 1 is minus 4 divided by, your delta was also minus 4 only, no? Your delta is also minus 4. That is nothing but x equal to 1. Next, y is equal to delta 2 by delta. What is your delta 2? What is your delta 2? We got minus 12, right? So that is minus 12 by minus 4. Y is equal to 3. And what is your z? I said delta 3 by delta. Delta 3 by delta. What is your delta 3 here? Just now we did. Delta 3 is nothing but minus 20 by minus 4. So your z is equal to 4 5s are 20. So therefore the solutions are x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. Z is equal to 5. So that is nothing but, these are your solutions. Is it clear? So we did 2 Cramer's rule sums. I hope you understood. And remaining Cramer's rules, yeah, this recorded videos, it will be given to you. You can go through once again the explanation. Yeah, just the calculation part I did little bit fast, but explanation, everything I gave, and we did 2 sums, and I hope you understood. Now, next, let us go for, okay, today we did for Cramer's rule, no? Same questions we can do for matrix inversion method. Okay, fine. Today one grammar rule long answer you learned, right? And let us go for some simple 4-mark questions in matrices. And tomorrow we'll do Gauss Jordan and matrix inversion method, and determinant sums also we'll do tomorrow. Is it clear? Or okay, one grammar rule is done. No, let us go for 1 or 2 determinant important questions, because 2 long answers I said no. So very important 2 long answers from this chapter. Is it clear? Okay. See this question in determinants. It's very important for 7 mark. Show that determinant of a plus b plus 2c, and this is a, this is b, c, b plus c plus 2a, and this is b, c, a, c plus a plus 2b. That what we have to show is equal to 2 times of a plus b plus c whole cube. Show that. Is it clear? Very important sum. Now listen everybody. A plus b plus 2c, a and b, this is c, b plus c plus 2a, b, c, a plus 2b. Now, solution. I'm going to take your LHS part. A plus b plus 2c, a and b, c, b plus c plus 2a, b, c, a, c plus a plus 2b. Now that is equal to, here you are going to apply row and column operations. You are going to apply row and column operations, whichever is applicable in that particular step. In order to get this result, if I add R1 tends to, see, this is your R1, this is your R2, this is your R3, okay? R1, R2, R3, rows. And this is your column 1, column 2, and column 3, okay? So these are your rows and columns I'm talking about, right? Just for your understanding purpose. Now, I'm going to take the operation as, C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. You may get a doubt, why not R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3? If I do in that way, what I will be adding is A plus B plus 2C plus C plus C. I'm getting 4C. If I add here A plus B plus C plus 2A plus A, 4A, and this is 4B. So you are not getting anything common to take outside the determinant. So C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3 is better. In what way it will be applicable? Have a look. C1 means this is your C1. Yeah, I'm changing the color of the pen so that you can understand the things easily. See, C1, C2, C3. First, you just have a look. C1 means C1 is tending to C1 plus C2 plus C3, means add this to this and then to this. This is your operation. C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then you will add these 3. Then you will add these 3. Okay. So that is nothing but, yeah. Now I'm going to add them. If I add them, what I'm going to get now? If I add them, what I'm going to get? You have a look. Yeah. Now start adding. A plus B plus 2C. I will write side by if you want. A plus B plus 2C. Next, plus A plus B. Correct? No? This is your C1. This is your C2. This is your C3. Now I am adding them. Correct? So what I'm going to get? 2A plus 2B plus 2C. See, all 3 I got same. So here 2A plus 2B plus 2C. Next, add this, this and this. Because column 1 is added to column 2. Column 2 is added to column 3. Means your second row, what I can say. C plus B, right? That is C plus B plus C plus 2A plus B. So this is first, second, and this is third part. Correct? No? First, second, and third. Add them. And where you have to write? In column itself. And where you are going to write it as? In column itself. That is again 2A, B plus B, 2B plus 2c. Is it clear? So that is nothing but 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Similarly, c plus a plus c plus a plus 2b. See the operation. This is the operation I am applying here, right? So that is again 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Now a and b plus c plus 2a, and this is a, and this is b, and b, c plus a plus 2b as it is, you are going to write. You are going to write as it is. Is it clear? Right. According to the determinant properties, if anything is there common, same, either in row or column, I can take it outside the determinant. So in this case, if you observe here, what I can have 2 into a plus b plus c, I'm taking 2 common, then a, then b as it is. Next, 2 common again, a plus b plus c. Then what I'm having, b plus c plus 2a, and this is b. Next, take 2 common, a plus b plus c, then a, and here what I'm having, c plus a plus 2b. Now, in column 1, this is your column 1. I'm having same thing which I can take it outside the determinant. This is very important property of determinant. So 2 times of a plus b plus c, I will take it out. When I take it out, what I'm going to get? 1 a b, 1 b plus c plus 2a b, and 1 a c plus a plus 2b. Now, most important thing is, whenever, okay, I took common, I got ones. Now, whenever I get ones in column, you have to do row operations. If I get ones in row, 1, 1, 1, suppose, you have to do column operations. And out of 3 ones, you make any 2 of them 0. This is very important. Is it clear? So here, I'm going to apply the operation as R1 tends to R1 minus R2, and R2 tends to R2 minus R3. Simultaneously, I'm applying both the operations. Is it clear? So that is the thing. I'm going to add the page. Okay, instead of adding the page, anyway, it is recording only. No? Sir, pura record ho raha na? Sir, pura record ho raha na ye? So anyway, instead of changing the page, because we want all these things, no, I'm going to erase this part. I hope you understood, right? This is that what the operations we did here to make something common. That common I took it outside. Then I got ones. Then these are the operations I'm going to use. Okay. Now, once you have a look, here itself I will do, because changing the board page every time, you will also not follow the things properly. So R1 tends to R1 minus R2. Now please apply that part. Yeah. That is 2 times of a plus b plus c as it is. Now I am applying the R1. This is your R1 minus R2. Means 1 minus 1, what I'm going to get? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, what I'm going to get is 0. Next it is 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. This minus of this, I'm writing your operation, I mean simplification separately. A minus of, it is b plus c plus 2a. That is a minus b minus c minus 2a. So a minus 2a, what I'm going to get is minus a minus b minus c. Next, b minus b, it is again 0. Is it clear? Next, what is your next operation? R2 tends to R2 minus R3. Again, R2 minus R3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, b plus c plus 2a minus a. B plus c plus 2a minus a. What I'm going to get is a plus b plus c only, no? Right, a plus b plus c. Okay. Next, b minus of this. That is, don't do calculation inside the determinant. Is it clear? In rough, you take it. That is nothing but b minus of c plus a plus 2b. Is it clear? Yeah, erase everything. No need to worry. That is b minus c minus a minus 2b. That is minus a minus b minus c. That is minus a minus b minus c. So according to the operation, what we have to change is R1 and R2. Correct? So I changed R1 and R2. I changed R1 tends to R1 minus R2, R2 tends to R2 minus R3. I changed, right? And third row, as it is, you will write right now. A, and this is C plus A plus 2B. Is it clear? Now, according to the determinants, once again, if anything is there common in one row or one column, I can take it outside, I said. So here, if you observe it, from first row, I change the color, right? From first row, I can take A plus B plus C common. Sir, I don't have any 0. Here I am having 0. I don't have any A plus B plus C. No. By default, you will have no 0 into A plus B plus C till it is 0. So 2 into A plus B plus C. 1 A plus B plus C I am going to take common from first row. Another A plus B plus C I am going to take common from second row. Is it clear? So A plus B plus C, first row I took common, and A plus B plus C, second row also I took common. Now, when I take A plus B plus C common from first row, how it will be? 0 into A plus B plus C is 0 only. So 0 will be as it is. Here, minus A minus B minus C. But what I took common is A plus B plus C. So take minus common there. What I will be left out with is minus 1. Here anyway it is 0 only. Is it clear? Next, here also 0 into anything, by default it will be there. So that doesn't make any difference. Here A plus B plus C, 1. Here again minus A minus B minus C. Take minus common. Then what you will get is A plus B plus C. So again you will get minus 1. And your 1 A and C plus A plus 2B as it is you write. Now please expand this determinant for first column. Is it clear? We got the result. See here. 2 into A plus B plus C. 3 times I am having. So whole cube. Now expand the det with first column plus minus plus. So anyway 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Now that is plus 1 into leave the row and column it is present. AD. See, leave the row and column it is present, I said. Leave the row and column it is present for 1. Means leave the row and column. Now what is left out? Minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1. AD minus BC. That is minus into minus. That is nothing but plus 1 minus 0. Which is nothing but 2 times of A plus B plus C whole cube. This is your RHS part. Is it clear, everybody? So that is the thing. Yeah. Tomorrow we'll see one Gauss Jordan. Tomorrow we'll see different what we can say different determinant sums we will see, or we'll go for Gauss Jordan or matrix inversion. These are the 2 mark question. 7 mark, 2 7 marks I said, no? One from determinants you will get, and one from you will get from either Gauss Jordan, Cramer's rule, or matrix inversion. So this time let us hope so. Again, he will ask Cramer's rule so that you can do it easily. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you. आज बस చాలా సరే గొంతు వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇంకా 1 o'clock ఇది Right. Yeah, good afternoon. Let us start with the math second year 2B important questions for your exam point of view. Is it clear? Right. Okay. In second year, as far as second year concerned, circles, and integrations. These are two important chapters. From circles, you will get 7 marks, 2, 1 4 mark, and 2 2 mark. Integrations 2 7 mark, 2 2. So the weightage of this chapter is very huge. These two chapters, almost all, you will get 50 marks. Is it clear? So circles and integrations. So usually, every time we concentrate more on circles. Is it clear? And that too, circle passing through 3 points. Already we know, no? The circle passing through 3 points. Is it clear? Already you might have did, but still once again, very important for those who score marks. These two important long answers are very, very important, right? Now, let us start with circles. So, circle passing through 3 points means, suppose this is a circle, no need to draw anything in your exam. So, let it is passing through A point, B point, C point. So, whenever it is passing through 3 points means, take the standard equation of the circle, substitute the points, you will get the equation, solve them to get GFC values. So, in order to get a circle equation, it means what? GFC will be 3 unknowns. Is it clear? Now, I will take one question. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points. Find the equation of the circle passing through points. 3 points I said. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. I will do one problem and remaining part you can try. Is it clear? Remaining part you can try. And I will do one sum, just how to do the sum. Right? Solution. Let the equation of the circle is, take the standard form and follow these steps only. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. As I said, the circle is passing through 3 points, it seems. Means substitute the first point, 3, 4 passing through. So what I'm going to get? 3 square plus 4 square plus 2gx. This is your x, this is your y. Is it clear? This is your x. You are going to replace this with, x, and this is y. Okay. All right. So x square plus 3 square plus 4 square, 2 into 3, 6g plus 2 into 4, 8f plus c equal to 0. That is nothing but 6g plus 8f plus c equal to 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 16 plus 9, 25. Bring 25 to that side. Minus 25. This you will put it as equation 1. This it will be your equation 1. Is it clear? Next, second point. What is your second point? Here we are going to substitute 3 comma 2. The second point is 3 comma. Yeah, second point is 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 substitute 3 square plus 2 square. Instead of x you put 3. 3 2s are again 6g plus 4f plus c equal to 0. That is nothing but 6g plus 4f plus c equal to 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 9 plus 4, 13. So bring it to this side. This is minus. Okay, then 6g plus 4f plus c equal to minus 13. This will be your second equation. And what is your third equation? Means substitute the third point. Is it clear? So what is the third point I'm going to substitute here? It is 1 comma 4. What is that 1 comma 4 I'm going to substitute here? In the circle equation, that is 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16 plus x is 1. In this standard equation only, okay? X is 1. So that is 2g plus y is 4. 4 2s are 8f plus c equal to 0. That is 2g plus 8f plus c equal to minus 17. Put it as equation 3. Put it as equation 3. Now solve. I am changing. Solve 1 and 2. See, this is your 1. This is your 2. Solve 1 and 2. Now, when you solve 1 and 2, always maintain c gets cancelled. Is it clear? Always maintain c gets cancelled. So, what is that? 6g plus 8f plus c equal to minus 25.